Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the phone's inputs. Remove the case and any screen protector now, because trapped debris often mimics ghost touches. Once done, power down and clean the display surface and edges with a microfiber cloth, no liquids on ports. Then reboot into safe mode to test whether a third-party app causes the movement. Safe mode disables those apps, so if the screen is stable, you know software is the culprit. This early isolation saves time later. Now focus on software. Update the operating system and every app because patches fix touch driver bugs. After updates, open settings and run any touch calibration tool or adjust touch sensitivity and palm rejection options. These tune how the digitizer interprets pressure and contact. Make sure to turn off gestures, automation routines, or accessibility shortcuts that can simulate touches. If you see improvement, re-enable one item at a time to find. If software steps fail, you move to hardware. Inspect the display edges for lift or corrosion and gently press around the frame. Loose digitizer connectors cause phantom movement. If available, test with a known good OEM screen or have a technician reseat the digitizer ribbon. Touch IC faults require professional diagnosis. Before any major repair, back up your data, then perform a factory reset to exclude residual software states. If problems persist, take it to authorized repair. Don't open the board if you lack tools.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.